What's up, guys? Kaliko Dio coming at you live with another exclusive video. Today we're going to be showing you how to do some meal prep chicken for the week. Very simple to do. All you need is a pan here lined with foil, pack of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cutting board with a knife to split them up, seasonings of your choice. I got chili lime and some Southwest fajita. And preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And all we're going to do, slice these bad boys in half, season both sides, put them here on the baking sheet, and cook them for about 20 minutes. That's it. So, go ahead and set this down. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Very easy to do. And this will give me enough for about 5 days. So I eat one chicken breast in the morning with my breakfast, and I'll have a second one for dinner or for lunch. It just kind of depends on my schedule. So if there's any fat, I trim it off. There's really not much fat on this chicken to begin with, but go ahead and take a minute to trim it anyway. So there you go. Got the chicken breast right there. Get my ring off here. Take that right in the middle, and you just kind of saw it across there. Let the knife do the work. There you go. One split breast. And you're just going to repeat that for the rest of these. Alright. Pick this back up again here when I have all these sliced up. Okay, so I got everything split. And then I have seasoning there on the bottom side, and I'm going to go ahead and season the top here as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. So stay tuned, and you're going to see the finished product here in about a half hour. Alright, bye. So we're all seasoned up. Don't skip out on the seasoning. Salt will help with the water retention. So there's no oil, nothing in here. It's just split chicken breast with seasonings, and that's it. So very low to almost zero fat. I'm going to go ahead and slip these in. Go ahead and slip these in the oven. Alright, in they go. Set the timer for 30 minutes. I know I said 20, but let's go ahead and do 30. That way I make sure that they're cooked all the way through, that they kind of shrivel up just a little bit. Alright. And there's the finished product, folks. Right out of the oven. Listen to that sizzle. Smells amazing. And they taste great too. We'll let it cool down for a minute, and then we'll grab a bite. Alright.